Hey everyone, welcome to LevelUP Gamer, where we dive deep into game development. If you're thinking about a career in game development or just curious about the industry, then this video is for you. Stick around because today we're exploring the game development roadmap in 2025, the booming demand for game developers in India, and the revolutionary impact of AI in gaming. Let's get started. Did you know that the gaming industry in India is expected to grow at a massive 10.1% compound annual growth rate over the next 5 years? By 2027, the Indian gaming community is set to reach over 641 million players. That means more opportunities for game developers than ever before. India is becoming a global hub for gaming, with major companies investing in mobile PC and console gaming. We're also seeing a rise in indie developers creating games rooted in Indian mythology and culture, which is capturing both local and international audiences. So if you're a game developer or planning to become one now, is the best time to start. Alright, let's talk about the skills and tools you need to become a game developer in 2025. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of the roadmap. Learn programming. Master languages like C#, C++, and Python. Choose a game engine. Unity and Unreal Engine are the industry's leading choices. Understand game design. Learn about mechanics, storytelling, and user experience. Develop your first game. Start with small projects and improve gradually. Build a portfolio. Showcase your work to potential employers or investors. Stay updated with trends. Keep up with AI, VR, and other game tech advancements. Master these skills and you'll be on your way to becoming a professional game developer. Now, let's talk about how AI is transforming game development. AI is revolutionizing everything, from creating realistic NPC behaviors to generating entire game environments. Games like No Man's Sky use AI to generate entire universes. AI is also enhancing game animations, making characters move and react more naturally. With AI, game developers can now automate tasks like level design and bug fixing, speeding up development times and reducing costs. This means we'll see more indie developers creating high-quality games faster than ever before. So, if you're learning game development, keeping up with AI advancements will give you a huge advantage. So, what do you think about the future of game development in India? Are you excited about AI shaping the industry? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more game development content. Also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating and keep gaming.